Hello from the other side. I've been there in another side to tell you I'm sorry for the things that I've caused for you. Hello from the other side. Hello from the other side. Grab your copy now. New album by Mayowa. I wonder why you laugh.
If you let me sleep. You sing when they sing, they let me sleep.
Hello from... Alright, so welcome to Party Party today. My name is Mayowa and I get my G with me, Lucky Child. Ogbolo, no, you know, you understand. You went to go and represent us in one somewhere. You get it now.
Yeah.
One person has to go.
For real.
Because we are a duo. You know?
Yeah.
So when one go, one stay.
That's it.
Two of us can go. So you are the filling the gap.
You are welcome, you are welcome. So my Party viewers, we dey hail on now, we dey salute on now, say, as Mayowa talk am, if Ogbolo not dey, na me be the next husband, and I don't call to marry Mayowa for today's show. That song which he sing, actually tell and say, I won't take and go on event, because Chibok girls, they won't do one concert, so they need musician. They say they want Adele. So I tell them, say, we'll get Adele. And Mayowa don't prove her. Hello for the other side. Only after the song, they fit kidnap her joy. They make kidnap her joy. She called it sad. Oh. Yeah, sorry, you won't go. Speechless. That's what I can just see.
You people shall welcome to the show because I didn't really know how somebody would just wake up in the morning and just feel the need to be making another man being sad. Why?
No.
Why do you?
Now info I give.
Why you want to do me this kind
I
of thing?
give info.
Okay, your info is not needed. Yes.
But I don't hear audience, and I don't hear listeners, and I don't hear
Your info
viewers.
is not needed.
Have to
Anyways,
people.
how are you? How was your weekend? We hope so and I get beautiful weekend because for me it was quite an eventful weekend. Really,
Very,
I must
very.
tell you. This past weekend, the things when I do, oh Lord, I worry. I worry.
Confess. What do you do?
No, I go tell you. On Friday, after I finish work and everything, I sleep.
One,
Yeah. On Saturday, after I do one or two events,
I
I
sleep.
Yeah. On Sunday, when I go House of God, you know, being a Christian that I am, I go church, I come back,
I sleep.
I sleep. You understand? So then now, I don't wake up, I don't come work. I feel very refreshed. I feel good. I feel happy because I never expected it.
You are very funny.
Yeah.
So the two way you do now you sleep.
Yeah.
So sleep is a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Because I work and sleep.
Yeah,
I work and sleep. You want me to? I cannot come and go and keep
But
myself.
not sleep all through.
No. There was quite a lot of sleeping. The sleeping one I don't get during the week.
You take
This weekend I do what?
You
I
sleep
sleep.
it.
Yes. Welcome to the show. If you just join us, we come your way on top Go TV channel 98, 11:30 every day. So yes, you feel just join us every time, every other time because it's your favorite show. I didn't care whether you like it or not. Me, I'm telling you that you must love it.
You love him. You love him.
Yeah.
Don't sleep. Keep watching us.
You understand? Don't look at your TV now. The color screen of your TV is not really bright. But because we have day inside,
You are brightened.
your TV is not very okay.
Oh,
so don't
baby.
lie.
Oh,
You
baby.
love us.
Shop knuckle. I like the way they say that. Shop knuckle. Shop knuckle is not slap knuckle. Shop knuckle. Learn.
Yeah. You are violent against woman. You go dey beat woman.
Lie.
Hey. There was this story that I talk upon the radio plays. I was talking on radio this morning and I decided to look through the news where they happen and then I saw the story
Serious?
of this man where come out can say, help, my wife, they beat me. Anytime when she beats me, I dey enter coma.
Serious.
I'm telling you, like, for real, she they beat him steady.
The wife in a martial
So I'm
arts.
thinking, and I'm not thinking that. I even put them open for radio. I ask people that what do they think about this thing about women where they beat man.
Okay.
You understand? I could they wonder say when I open radio, people they talk.
Yeah.
Some men talk. So nobody say they don't feel beat the woman, but for peace to reign. Some people say they love their wife, so they anything we should do. Then they take them. And some they talk say something else dey inside. You understand?
No,
Because
but seriously, woman dey with the beat man. Not be say because
no, but what
the
do
man,
you be man, yeah, and you have a family, yes.
For real.
So tell me how.
I know by experience and I would experience something fit tell.
Okay, they never beat you before.
They no fit beat me sef.
All right, give us just a break real quick. When we come back, we enter into the level of Yandi Yan. Thank you very much.
Yandi. Oh my God.
Children, the first gist one I get for you will happen for inside Taiwan, and it involve a
No,
a
clear
baby.
your throat, talk it.
Excuse me, that's not professional. Excuse me.
Or squeeze us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, squeeze.
So for inside Taiwan, rescuers for the Taiwan on top Sunday then saved close to more than 120 people where they trapped under the rubble of a building where collapsed after one very massive earthquake. Now, emergency workers where they there, they don't clock. They come out first of all the 17-story building and a residential building. People they sleep for inside. People they wake up for inside. And family members they inside. 17-story building for inside southern Tainan city, and then a 6.4 magnitude earthquake. That is really large.
Magnitude.
6.4 magnitude earthquake. Now, it shatter that whole thing on top the early hours of Saturday, just this weekend. Now, as then they rescue people, them they rescue people. They don't read like 28 people with plenty victims, and this one include a 10-day-old baby. A 10-day-old baby die for inside this particular one. See them, they rescue children, a 10-day-old baby. I mean, the baby is just 10 days. And among those where they rescue the building, where we say almost about 256 people now they live for inside that place. A 6-month-old baby girl, they need to, when they rescue them, they rush them go hospital because she been there 30 hours under that rumble of crumbling of building. Seriously? Yes. Oh no. A 6-month-old baby, a 10-day-old baby died. A 6-month-old baby, see him, they rescue him. She been there under there. They had to rush her to the hospital. Now, a particular woman, she will be 42-year-old, her name is Chang. She touched us. I don't they call my child, my 24-year-old daughter. She they live for the 5th floor. I don't they call her. She no answer. I can't say make I come check. Come when I come check. Now yeah, I see all these things. Now yeah, I see all these things. Oh. The concept as they pack body come up for there. Oh, no. Wounded people, babies, children. It's sad.
Oh no. Oh jeez, earthquake. And you know, sometimes I thank God. Not be say because that kind of happen there. Say Africa, what would they? We not get this kind of natural disaster. Because
you know they happen often. You know they even happen.
About erosion. Much. If I talk grand, they open an erosion.
Maybe it may rain fall. Carry one person house, enter another street.
You know what do they happen here? You don't see and say rain carry person has gone that street.
Now you know those time when rain go fall, they go reach you for here. For inside Igbo.
At least that one did.
Now whether they talk, say you know too.
I sympathize with these people because you day house only for you to hear noise. And not only once this thing happen. Yeah, you remember now once there for school when I did secondary school. The next building to our school
collapse.
No, you not even collapse. All the air rumble. The people, one man they watch telly. He notice say in TV they shift. He call this thing that happen. I see one go look outside. The story building way straight like before. It don't do like this.
Don't bend.
Constantly people they jump from. Yeah. So what in order to happen for Africa, so we sympathize with our fellow humans there in Asia.
It's really sad. It's sad, and it is sad for me because of the babies, the children.
That involved.
Yeah, it's sad for me. Anyway, back to your gist.
Yeah, well, it's sad and still sad thing though, because this one too is sad. I'm going to talk together because husband, when you tell your wife say you love your wife, woman open heart give you. Not knowing waiting the day your own mind, we they beg because love now two people they hold up.
Oh yeah, it's a two-way thing, right? Nobody loves alone, only God.
Husband now can't open eye finish, he can't push in wife, come more for up. They call her cliff, eye up.
From a mountain top.
Mountain top.
Oh, okay.
Now husband, he push in wife after their anniversary. Now he push him. After they take one last photo together, now he push woman. And when he push her, you know what you go up when he push person for high place. Now the woman some assault, now grand she go. Now be the die where she die. So
why?
Arod entro, now be the man. That a lot of your question ask me why.
Why?
Why you? Why why? Now the gist be that my sister. The man like say get the attitude there before or something. When you love somebody, please tell the person no say the love come from the heart. Nobody take a license on phone or something else. You
I think that the man don't get case of the man don't get case of abusing or killing his wife because he don't marry before for 1995, and when he married, him and his wife been they come out, and then they had a flat tire. Their tire flat for inside on their commuting road.
Okay.
And as the flat tire come out, the he come out to make him change in tire. Now he deliberately put the thing where they turn tire for grand. Now so the thing chook. When she come out, they make her check everything my husband they do.
That first wife.
The first wife. Now so the thing chook him, she die.
You
know, but of course they go talk saying an accident because he was trying to change tire.
Okay.
This second one now.
When he push him.
Yes.
Is it accident? Is coincidence?
Yes. So she hit the jack, the car can't tumble, fall on top of her. Now, this particular one in the guy, he push her from the cliff.
Now, so I think the man gets some problem.
Yes, I think he's psychologically not okay. Anyways, different things they happen for different people.
Yeah,
well, this just brings me back.
Folks.
Yeah.
So now advice I think we could give people in this regard.
You know, this just brings me back
Wash your back.
Well, watch your back.
Watch your
but
back.
At the same time, for us where we did here, and even those where they did diaspora, whatever country you are, whatever the race, whatever tribe, whatever where you be, I just need to let you know, say, you need to be careful. Especially when you meet people for social media, because this guy, he meets his wife for websites. Christian dating or something like that. He meets her for social media. So you need to be careful where you meet people. I'll be advocate of try know yourself small, be friends small before you decide.
Because if the person get bad mind, that time they try know am.
Some people they hide them.
Some things.
You know, some people they hide them, then they hide them well. They hide their bad character well. But at the same time, you never feel no finish. My own just be careful.
Just be careful.
Be careful. Live your life every day like saying that only yourself you know. Because the truth be saying that only yourself.
You know. And Mayowa, the still will be say wash your back. Even as you did with me, so wash your back.
Okay, whether if you do me so. Give us break. What did they worry you?
They think they fast on.
Oh, that is so cool.
But seriously, as I watch all these children, I know, Jeff, thank you for this thing where they play today, because they make me feel like, yesterday I played my picking where we just dedicated our church yesterday. You understand? My son.
Congratulations, honey.
Thank you, dear. So as I see all these things, I just get this, that's our superheroes.
And and they talk something, say, for people like a few of us, we're very close to our fathers, because personally, I am very, 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 very close to my papa. Okay. In fact, it's so bad that sometimes when he calls me like 10 times in 1 hour.
Wow.
My friends
10 times 1 hour?
Yes.
Mayowa.
Hello, I want to do this. Hello, Daddy, you've called me, please. Don't. If you get close to them, anything will do you. If you look into their eyes, it go be like saying at them. They do. Yeah. So I don't know how some fathers feel abandon their children.
True.
I don't know how some papas feel
just neglect.
Yes,
forget saying you carry pikin.
Yes, because when you see the love where the eye of a father to his child, especially when the pikin is still small, it's amazing.
Yeah, true talk. What you're saying now is
because you just look and say, now from my body this thing fall out though. You understand? So when people abandon their children, I don't
like something happened. My boy, the rocking chair we put down. I think they do. Me and my wife, we bedroom. She wash my hair. All of a sudden, we all hear say something move. That means he fall from the rocking chair, and he's just 11 weeks old. As he fall face down.
Now he dive.
My wife, no, my wife just say I fly.
How you tell reach there? She don't know.
I couldn't better. Sorry. Oh my God.
That is so amazing. Text us your daddy moments. Your daddy moments, send them come at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Daddy moments, hashtag it daddy moments, send them come Wazobia Paddy Paddy, and we go reply you. All right, moving on to Yan. I have this really touching story. And this one concerns a particular man that was born with no arm. He was born with no arm at all. He no get hand at all. Nobody say he come out. He was born without arms at all. And while they grow up, they don't do different surgery to try grow arm, to try give artificial hand, to try do nothing was working. Nothing worked. So at age 16, in talk say, you know what? I don't tire. I'm just going to live my dreams. I'm just going to pursue what I want to do. And the guy enjoys drawing. He enjoys to travel. He enjoys to draw.
Okay.
So now this guy just begin teach himself how to draw. These are some of his drawings.
Cow.
These are some of his drawings.
Wow.
Now the guy no get hand, but in they learn how to press the pencil to the flesh where remain. You know, see?
Okay, now this...
Yes, now this thing in they press the pencil put and in they draw. The guy say if it take him 20 hours to complete one drawing, but...
And the drawings are very fine.
In fact, for 2000, and I think it was in 2013, in drawing came second for the best global arts award,
Artist
the big
award.
one where they do for inside Vienna.
Vienna, okay.
2013. It was so big, and then the guy don't travel around Europe. He don't draw for different streets for inside Europe. He don't draw for Berlin, for Amsterdam, for London, for Paris, Barcelona, Venice, Rome, Athens. The guy is
the bomb.
He's the bomb. He's an inspiration. In contact, so you know what he say. He go like be a motivational speaker. Say not be just for disabled people, but in one way everybody knows. Say nothing in this world is unachievable. Nothing there where you know if you do, except if you know one time. In contact, say he loves to draw because he can express himself through drawing, through the faces of people, through the expressions of people.
Wow.
This touched my mitochondria. This
Your
touched the
mitochondria.
inner part of my mitochondria. My mitochondria is tickled by this story.
Yeah, biological language, mitochondria.
Yeah, I feel
But that means
I feel blessed. I feel blessed to be able to reveal information about people like this because it makes you understand that listen, you don't have an excuse.
Yes, you don't. Amayawa, something where it really touched me again for the guy's story.
Yeah.
He say, "Can they ask God? Say, why me? Why I come life without hand?" He say, "Can realize them again? Say, I didn't come life with hand.
If you know,
if for not they do this thing when they do."
Because this is really huge. Now, inspiration to a lot of people.
Yes.
And this guy, his drawings are. In fact, he has put almost 15,000 hours of work and has made 700 drawings with no arm. How amazing
I
is that?
clap for you, brother. You don't have hand, but I use my hand clap for you.
Last. It's something to encourage you. Hello. If you thief, they catch you, they kill you. If you carry drugs, they catch you, they kill you. If you do something, they catch you, that's your business. Because I want to tell you that you don't have an excuse to go into crime. You don't have an excuse to do a job that is not legal. And you don't get excuse to do anything that is not good. Nothing is impossible for you and no time is too late. Okay?
For real. So, and to all those beggars, where we say they not get the hand again. Not they do go beg because I no get hand.
There's something for everybody.
You can devise something from that. For real. So that one can't enter, it can't just enter this other story. Like
yes,
say,
talking about talent, huh?
For real. This talent now, we are very proud that this one is coming from our own place here for Yaba Tech students for in final year now do this particular project. Then the guy named now Eloagu Williams, the guy enter Yaba Tech as student and for in final year he can design this fascinating artwork. He can title Your Destiny is in Your Hand. Make we see the picture. Them, see the guy handwork.
Amazing. You know, let me tell you what. When it comes to all these final year projects, something, you know, for somebody like me, okay, let me give you an example. I've been doing architecture for school, right?
Okay.
So,
architecture?
Yes, architecture.
Wow, no wonder you get brain.
I've been doing architecture.
Correct.
So when you come out for school, then you go do projects. Your last year, final year project. If you decide to do masters, you go do your working drawings, you know, and everything. So the project, now that's how you go see talent. My brother, you go see people project. You go be like say the thing get life. Like say it won't come out for the paper when they you go see some people drawing, you go see some people building, you go see some people design, you go see some people that go design the house, you go do on top the water. Now the water will come be the staircase to enter inside the house. Oh no, people get brain. So when I see things like this, you know, they shock me because I know say talents there. My brother, even my project there, it was a market square.
Okay.
I literally did a project of a full market and people they come out from inside the market, they buy things. It was an amazing experience.
Amazing experience.
So
Ladies and gentlemen, viewers on another year as Mayowa they talk and she they talk as she say she they preach the preaching. Now person way know what thing they do nice be preacher like gospel. So ladies and gentlemen, you get talent, you fit design something, or you dey final year you want to do your project, you don't know what to do. Call us or send us message for Paddy on Twitter. Mayowa go help you because she go preach and give you the way where you fit to do that your project so that we go sample up our program.
I don't know. Say me, if you do biological science and you come and meet me to tell you project, my brother, your project is going to be a disaster because I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know anything about it.
No, you don't need to know about it. You will use the experience.
Give me work that is not my own.
No,
give me work that is not my own.
The effort, that's the effort. The effort that you put to make your own actualize. That's the effort that you encourage the person.
So I can only encourage you. I cannot do anything. I cannot give you idea.
All what you say here is encouragement.
So I'm just gonna tell you that. I'm just gonna tell you that you need to find that thing where you love to do. You need to find that thing where they excite you. Yeah. Because the truth be said, I'm going to use this as an example really. Because even this presenter work where they do say, not be say anybody carry and come from heaven. You need to build yourself. You need to build yourself. Yeah. When you reach formal presenting now, you go shock how we go change.
For real.
You need to build yourself. You need to learn. You need to. And my brother, my sister, go to school. It's very important. If you cannot go to school, give yourself some form of education.
Vocational education, absent education, correspondent education, arts education, compound education, street education, church education.
Hold on.
Any organization you find yourself is education.
Be sensitive about things around you. Notice things around you. Find yourself. Know that thing where you feel do.
Only then
can you. Thank you. Because you talk am true. Street education. Yeah. Only then can you be successful. My brother, you cannot have success in doing something that you don't like. But once you begin to do the one where they sweet you, you're gonna be okay.
Before you know, you are doing many projects.
The laugh. We don't really have much time.
Like Mayowa's projects.
Inside market. On Twitter. And to Wasobia Badi, God bless you. Have a nice day. I'm not doing it again.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.